Welcome to Understanding Straight Talk Phone Resets. Straight Talk phones, often Android or iOS devices, can experience issues like glitches or slow performance. Issues like glitches or slow performance can affect Straight Talk phones. Resetting can help, but understanding the types and risks is key. First, always back up your data. Use cloud services to save contacts, photos, and settings. The Straight Talk app also offers guides and direct links to device settings. Remember, resetting doesn't affect your Straight Talk service data stored on the SIM card. There are two main types of resets: soft reset and factory reset. A soft reset, or restart, clears temporary memory without deleting data. Simply hold the power button or side button on iPhones for 10 to 20 seconds until the phone restarts. This fixes minor glitches. A factory reset, or hard reset, restores the phone to its original state, erasing all user data and apps. Find this option in Settings, System Reset on Android, or Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone on iOS. Use it when soft resets fail or before selling the phone, but be aware this causes permanent data loss without a backup. Ensure the phone is at least 50% charged before any reset.